Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to stop receiving unknown number messages and video calls on WhatsApp. So WhatsApp, like any other app that uses your phone number to register you as a user, is quite dependent on your phone as well. So what you want to do is, first of all, so people don't find you and don't see anything about you, is go to settings from the three stars, click on account and go to privacy, and you want to change all of these to be restricted as much as possible to outsiders. So last seen, set it to nobody. Profile photo, let's make it to my contacts only. About, my contacts only. My status, my contacts. Oops, sorry, my contacts will be enough. I thought it was something else. Get back, and if you turned off and you won't send or receive read receipts, read receipts are always sent in for groups and etc. So if you want people not to see when you send their messages, groups, my contacts only, so you can be added, live location none, blocked contacts none, and fingerprint are disabled. So everything here is set. But if you don't want people to be able to call you, you have to do the following. Go to your phone, your dialer, and go to the three little dots on top, right here. Then click on blocked and select call block rules, and click block unknown numbers and block private and not held numbers. And this doesn't block only on your phone, but also blocks on WhatsApp, Viber, and all those apps that use your phone number for registration. And that's pretty much it. Hope this helped. If it did, leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.